I'm so mad at this position. I should really be in down here. Like a whole 28 points ahead of this.
Mm.
Hands might picking up everything. Yo, what's going on, Alfred? I'm just mad because I should be in long down here at 870. Should be long down here. But instead, I got this horrible entry. I average basically at 900. Maybe I should. Maybe I should take this. Yeah, maybe I should take this, and if we get a drop back down here, I can take the long somewhere down here. Yeah, I was looking to get in long here at 870, man. I rightfully should be in it, but stuff happened. Missed it. You're going to 2100, man. You're going to 2100 or 21,000, 2100, 21,000. You're going to 21K.
Yes, please.
What's up, Francis?
Let's do some reading. So, no. No. Why do I? Those me. Yeah. Peace.
Hold on.
Mm.
This one is not an eval.
That the this for the S. Nice. Fast. The S.
Seppuku. Yeah, this one's not an eval. This one's
Let's try.
a funded. Yeah, I went back, so I don't know if you was in the stream earlier. I was up. I think 5K, and then I went back off stream because I saw a long opportunity. I saw a long opportunity. I just made like 1,500 after that. I finished with like 65. But I should have held it. I should have known they were gonna blast NQ up. Because originally I was looking for 870. Keep she going? But yeah, here we are in this bad position.
You found it, baby? Okay.
They might try to take it down here. Yes.
I want the
Nah, yes, it's good. Watch, we're gonna get to 6K on ES in no time. ES is good on the 15-minute. That's not selling that area though. I'm debating on whether I should just take this and then look for a lower opportunity, or if I should just hold this. I don't like this area that I got in. All right. That's fine. Yeah, let me look at it. I wonder if they're really going to short this or not. Seems unlikely. See any orders on Bookmap? Areas of interest. 750. $750. Actually, might try to go to. Might try to. I don't think it'll clear out 950 just yet, but I know it wants to get to 950. May see one more drop.
Mommy, that's what I want to.
Okay, baby.
Okay, the trash can. Cheers. Mommy, it's here. How about you steam?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's the baby. Like the great. Cheers.
Guys probably won't try to short until. Let's see.
Hey, watch Papi do.
Yeah, we can definitely watch Paw Patrol. Let me go put it on for you?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Mommy, hey, watch Papi do.
Yeah,
I'll be right back.
put it on for you.
gonna keep pumping. Unless ES decides to drop here. $75. What up, y'all? Yeah, I figured I'd give pre-market a try. This is slow and boring, though. Nah, but I'm back in the States, though. I wanted to catch the long at 870, but I missed it, and then I caught like a nasty entry. It was just, it was close to 900. I think it was like 898. Ended up getting stopped out in profit. Now I'm trying to take the short, see what they do with it. If we get VWAP, that's at least $500. I was hoping to get another shot at 870, but I don't think I don't know. It's all dependent on ES.
Hey, what's up, man? What's up?
Yo, what up?
Hey, what's up, man? You know I'm crying right now, bro. You know I'm crying right now. I didn't even know this shit happened.
What you mean?
Cause you know this thing.
Oh,
Yeah, my short. This shit literally bounced. So it bounced at 59.50, and unfortunately my target was sitting at 59.48. So that happened. Oh shit.
dang.
Okay. The one thing is that my gold played out. My gold short from yesterday played out. Made 2K from that shit. I will say that gold has been saving this account because that's the only reason why I still got it, because of gold.
Yeah.
How you been doing tonight, man? You ever able to catch anything?
I missed a premium entry
To go long or short?
for the long. Now I'm trying to short, but yes. Yeah, to go long. I wanted to take the 870 long.
Mm-hmm.
It would have been pristine, pretty much a pristine entry. But dealing with the daughter made me miss my entry. And I took a nasty 898 entry long. It's disgusting. I was like, dang, man, that's like 20 something, almost 30 points I missed on the table.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I think I might have messed up on this gold trade. I went short on gold when I know I should have just went long, but it's okay.
Yeah, also, um, that's why I wanted to catch the 870 long, and I'm hoping we can get back down here, but it don't look like, I don't know. It don't look like it right now. I mean, nah. If the Bears come in here and push this down, then I could see us maybe get down there, but or maybe get into VWAP.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know if they got it. I don't know if they got it in them to push it back down here.
Mm.
I think we want higher prices.
Mm.
Ultimately, I think we, like I said, 21K, going to 21K.
I mean, I think we'll get that after obviously FOMC. I think we'll get that then. I mean, unless they kind of know what Powell's gonna do. I mean, I don't know, man. I don't know. Because gold's selling off, and usually gold pumps FOMC, but it's selling off.
Does it?
Yeah, it usually pumps FOMC and then it dumps when the decision comes out. Well, I mean, I guess that was before because the narrative was inflation. I mean, the narrative isn't inflation anymore, so.
Ain't that crazy? It ain't inflation for them. Stupid report, but everybody know prices and everything's still high.
It definitely is. It definitely is still high, but you can't tell people that. Speaking of that, bro, man, so obviously I downloaded TikTok to see the reactions because for whatever reason, no, everybody was reacting on TikTok, so I downloaded it to see the reactions. I now understand. You said what?
Good.
I couldn't find it on Twitter. I couldn't find it.
Seeing everybody cry and everything, and I'm like, why is everybody acting like my toddler right now when she throws a tantrum?
Yeah, dude.
Like, what?
Dude, that's exactly what it is, yo. It's crazy, bro.
Grown men and women crying and stuff, and I'm like, they're like, our rights are going to be taken away, and we're going to leave by being led by, policies are going to be stripping us of everything. I'm like, we had 4 years and it wasn't that bad. What's another 4?
Pretty great.
It was pretty, dare I say, pretty good for me.
I had so much money. I put myself into debt because of it. Like,
yo, like, I do not remember. There was no struggle. Like,
yeah, there wasn't one. And it's crazy that people are acting like that. Yeah. So, I like, dude, I learned a lot on TikTok today. As crazy as that sounds. But so apparently, you won't believe, according to the data, what got Trump the presidency. You won't believe it. So remember how Obama came out and was saying, "Oh, black men, shame on you. You don't want a black woman president. Shame on you. Your mama black." You know, shit like that. Guess who voted Trump in? Just guess. Just guess what demographic, according to the state. No guess?
No, I said who.
Oh yeah, I guess I didn't hear that part.
Well, I saw
So
somebody's data, but it was I don't know if it was skewed or not, because it was on Twitter and then they were upset that he won. So I don't know if it was skewed data or what. But it said white males and white females was like a lot of majority. But I was like,
yeah.
I don't know.
Yeah, that, and apparently it was Latino men and women, supposedly.
Right. Yeah.
And I was like, yo, that's crazy, man. And Obama was out here trying to shame black men when black men was actually out there voting for Kamala. Crazy. Sitting there shaming us. He ain't said shit. He ain't said nothing to no Latino men like that. He was talking to black men. So that just kind of shows that, like, they think they own us. They think they own black people, dude. That is crazy. And it wasn't even well, shit. Like I said, I don't care, but it wasn't even black people. It was everybody else. And Bob was coming like, yeah, y'all should go vote for Kamala. I'm ashamed of you. You should be ashamed. Like your mama black.
the reasons they gave though was like, it's just crazy. Like, oh, you don't want to see a female in office. No, that's not it.
She's not, that is not. Yo.
Yeah, that's not it. For me,
yeah,
like she was just all right.
Fake.
Here's my that's one thing too. But now Trump's an idiot too. Like but you don't get. Let me put it like this: you don't get, where he got his business deals and everything. He's a businessman. He knows how to run the country like a business, all right? But then any interview you see with Kamala, she couldn't answer like one question. It's always talking around in circles. Like, what do you stand for? What are your policies? I don't know. That some people say it was identity politics, but yeah. I don't know. I was just like, every sit down interview you do, you talking in circles, saying everything and saying nothing at the same time. Word salad. And then when we saw Georgia flip red, like, oh shoot.
Yeah, that was a surprise to me. That surprised the hell out of me. I am seeing some people talking about how he'll be a dictator and how he'll never leave, bro. So I'm not going to sit here and say I don't take the time to study the government, but the president is not in power, it's Congress. It's like, I at least know that it's fucking Congress. Everything goes through Congress. The president is just the face. He's like the CEO. He goes and he represents America everywhere he goes. But when unless it's an executive order, everything goes through Congress. So it's like, dude, why the hell does anybody believe that if he gets there, he won't leave? How? Because that means if that were to happen, that means it will be, quote unquote, the same coup that we saw on the Democratic Party when they got Joe Biden out. He would have to have banned with different branches of government, and they would give him the power to still be in office after he's done. It's not going to happen. And that's what happens when people are not fully educated on how the government really works. They believe stupid shit like that. And as I was strolling through TikTok, I understand why the Kamala Harris campaign was saying the things that they were saying, because these are the stupid shit that people were saying on TikTok. And it just seems like the same words were being said. I'm afraid. I'm scared. We don't have a democracy, even though you just saw your president get kicked out against his will and had an other candidate installed. But it's a democracy, right? And they were saying things like, "Oh, no, I can't have abortions." Like, bitch, really? Like, that's all you care about, bitch. Like, you just wanted abortion. Ain't nobody stopping you from not having a baby. Like, nobody's not stopping you from doing that stupid shit. But this is what people believe, and the emotions are real. And if the emotions are real, and people, I mean, emotions spread like a virus. I mean, emotions spread, and people get scared. And that's what the Democratic Party was campaigning on, people's fears. Like the stupid shit that Kamala was saying, like the middle family homes, the Hitler stuff. Like it just all made sense when I finally downloaded TikTok and actually started listening to these people. It's everything that they're saying. And that's all she's doing is repeating what they already believe. That's it.
Damn it, I should have got out. I should have got out here.
But I'm going to make it a point this weekend to learn about those three branches of government. So when people have these types of conversations and say that, oh, he can't leave, I'm going to direct them to where they can find this information for themselves, even though I understand that they won't do it or educate themselves. People just love to be afraid. People just love to be in their emotions. And I just understand that, but it's just kind of crazy that people would just say that and actually believe it. And then they scare their children with this crap. And they scare other people with this crap. And it's just like the Democratic Party really put a lot of fear into people. A lot of people are really afraid of the boogeyman. And that's what this is all about. So. Mm.
No.
When you get older, I'll teach you.
Mm.
Man, we about to get a pump now. Dang it.
But
Shoulda
yeah,
took
so
the-
kind of going back to this. Oh, go ahead.
No, I was saying I should have got out. I had my opportunity. Now this thing gonna pump.
I'm gonna hold on to my short, man. I'm gonna hold on to it. I just don't believe that the market is gonna, dude. I think the market. I think this was just excitement of a Trump victory. I mean, we pumped up like 10 million points today, dude. People have to take their damn profits sometime.
Yeah, that's true. They do. But
And I ain't looking for no reversal. Damn, I just want my target hit. God damn it.
you sure ES or NQ?
I'm sure both, bro.
Both.
So,
damn.
Yeah, sure both.
They want.
So,
I know they at least want 950, but and then 21K is on the table after 950. So I just wanted a better entry point for the long. I wanted 870 when I saw it. Man, I might as well. I gotta cut this because that was my.
I didn't. Oh, go ahead.
I was just saying that was my opportunity. That was my opportunity to get out down here. Now I'm in jail.
Bro, I think you good, bro. Oh yeah, you don't got the best entry. Yeah, you
pretty over leveraged, so.
Yeah, I'm over leveraged on ES right now. NASDAQ, I just got my traditional 3 contracts. I don't trust the NASDAQ because she'll pump this thing and make you feel like you're wrong when you're right. Make me feel like I'm wrong when I'm right. Yeah, so I mean, at least on the NASDAQ, I didn't get. Oh shit, my stop is literally at 950. Shit. My stop's at 950.
902. What makes you think? So Zach, man, makes you think 902? It's like ticks. Where's my entry? 906 now. Come on, let's get that drop. Let's just say that this 815 pump was just an anomaly. Yes. Okay.
Yeah. I mean, we understand why we got that pump. I mean, buyers bought off the 200 EMA. At least the 200 EMA that's on my chart. They bought on that, and we got that pump. I don't know if it bounced off the 200 EMA for you.
It's still full, here.
Okay, for watch your hands. And you hungry now?
Yeah. But I'm just so glad that all that stuff is over with, man.
That's right, also.
I'm just so glad that stuff is over with. What did also say? I guess let me turn on your stream.
That's us. Are you hungry?
Shit. Just turn it on.
I could eat, but I'm not hungry. Where did that tap at?
But yeah, I'm gonna make it a point to do all that stuff this weekend. I'm gonna make it a point. Definitely make it a point to understand.
Where'd she go now? Oh. Yeah, if you want to short 21K. And you're right, we got FOMC.
I mean, I guess my only real buys for this short is because it's up really high and we got FOMC tomorrow. That's my only buy.
that's the reason. That is like the most basic reason I've ever heard. It's up really high. We got FOMC tomorrow.
We got FOMC. It's up really high.
You like, I gotta try. As a bear, I gotta try.
Hey, I gotta try.
Set us up really high. Yo, you know what was funny though? When they started calling the election, I was looking at different, live chats and everything. They were trolling so hard. Let's talk about, you better thank a union member.
You better thank a union member. Oh yeah, so something else I saw, dude. Like, dude. Okay, but this is why I don't get involved in politics, man. Because it's like, dude, this is just a fucking circus. So, like I said, I was watching a lot of videos on TikTok, and mind you, like, TikTok is the most dude, it's more dangerous than a nuclear bomb, dude. It's that thing is so. Kind of side note, I was on TikTok and I was scrolling, looking at the different reactions to people's like their mental breakdowns, like literally adults, like you said, throwing tantrums. And as I was trying to get out, like, dude, TikTok literally trapped me. Like, I had to close the freaking app to get back to the homepage. Like, if you scroll long enough, or at least in this instance, I wasn't able to go back to the homepage. Like, it trapped me in the scroll. I was like, shit. Like, this shit literally trapped me. But so basically, people were showing comparisons to Hillary Clinton and Kamala. And would you freaking believe it was literally, so I guess the Democratic Party was like, well, maybe Hillary did good, but she lost because she wasn't black. Let's just try a black woman and have the same. Well, okay, okay. I'm not gonna get into that. Let's just have a quote unquote black woman do the same thing, and maybe we'll get it this time. Dude, I'm talking about even her concession speech was literally the same as Hillary Clinton, and she wondered why people didn't connect with her. She was being everybody but herself. She was being Obama. She was being Hillary Clinton. She was being Jamaican. She was being Hispanic. She was being country. She was being everything else but Kamala, and was wondering why no one likes her. You don't even like you, apparently. Shit. You couldn't even represent you being like she was. I mean, she even came out and said she celebrated Kwanzaa before the shit even came out. Like that shit was just crazy. You're Hindu and you didn't even represent you or the people that look like you for real. You thought that it was okay to not represent Indian Americans when you weren't running for president, but when as soon as you became president, it was fuck everybody that looks like me, fuck all the Indians, fuck all the Hindus. It was literally that's what you said to people that look like you by saying that, oh, now I'm black. Like, and then she was wondering why nobody didn't want or was behind her, except for obviously the black community, because the voting data shows that apparently black people was supporting her, but unfortunately it was the only demographic or group that was. Everybody else voted for Trump. So goes to show how crazy that is. Goes to show. And it's crazy how everybody was voting for this election to like it was like it's as crazy as it sounds. People were really fearful that they can't have abortions. Like that is like the craziest thing to me. I understand as a man, I guess I will never understand what a woman goes through, but I'm pretty sure you can get an abortion. I'm pretty sure, but I guess that's just me. That's just an assumption, I guess.
It's 8:30. Yeah, I'm not gonna stay on here too long. This is crazy. I missed my opportunity for this pump.
Dude, I think this is the short, bro. I think this is the short. I think it's the short. I mean, if you're gonna take this long, well, okay. So I guess let's talk about what will make the Bulls successful in this situation. I mean, we've already had the pump. Like, bro, we moved up all the way from 300 to 900. We moved up 600 points in a day without any real price action for real. Without any real price action, we moved up 600 points in a day. I'm not looking for a reversal, but dude, there has to be a pullback going somewhere, and I wouldn't buy it this high. I would think that a good pullback to like 725, a pullback to 725 at least will be a decent pullback. But their support at 645 as well, which I think would probably be a better area to go long, because that's where we saw that that break of structure. But I mean, I guess it could keep going up. I guess it could, but I wouldn't start a long position up here. I guess I wouldn't. I mean, I guess this is me.
Yeah.
So I mean, what are you thinking? Like if you think this is actually gonna go, you think this is gonna kind of go to 2100 from here?
Maybe not from here. I think we could get this double top.
Or 21,000. My bad, 21,000.
Yeah, I know. I said 2100 earlier. That'd be a crazy drop. But yeah, I think we can get a double top and maybe a little, like you said, a pullback. Like you said, a pullback into the 7. There's orders sitting there too. I'm looking at Bookmap now. We got orders at 750, and then 750. I guess like right above that, right above 750. So I could see that. Earlier it was 770, and that's why I was trying to get that short off, because I thought they were going to tap into that liquidity and then bounce it from there and take it up to, sky's the limit where we are now. But they didn't do it like that. That's why my short, I got burned. I had opportunity to get out, but
Yeah.
go to my target.
Yeah.
I wanted 78 too. 80. I was willing to get out at 80, 78. But it
Mhm.
was like, no, I'm about to push this. I'm about to run higher. So yeah, counts for sacrifice, but I took the long on the account, the funded account. I said
The one that
fine.
matters.
Yeah, the one that matters.
Mm-hmm.
Said fine. Y'all want to be like this? The only thing I wish I would have held it.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, I almost fucked up this afternoon, man. I did go short. I did go short, but it looked like a short, so I shorted, and I soon found out. I soon found out that bears love getting clapped on the NQ.
On NQ, yeah, because
Actually, no, I took
we
it on the
must
ES. I took it on the ES.
on the ES.
Yes.
I was
Yeah.
about to say, I don't know if we were in the same area, shortened, but if you saw it and I saw it, then it had to be something there. And we weren't even like really talking about our positions at that time.
Nah.
But I just wanted them to go. And that's what be getting me caught up sometimes. When I'm like, okay, I just want you to get here, and then I get married to the position or get stubborn and be like, no, okay, you can go to target. I know you can do it, but stressful shorts. And like I said, I had the opportunity to get out in profit and in break even. So, but it wasn't my target.
Yeah, those are the things that we gotta tell ourselves so we don't go tilt, but we go tilt anyway. It's like I had an opportunity to get out, but I didn't take it. Nah, I wanted my damn target. You gonna give me my target? I'm gonna keep shorting until I get it. But yeah,
Like I could get out
yeah,
here.
I took that short in the ES. You said what?
Yeah, I'm saying I could exit here this short, but just take break even basically. But I want the, like I said, if they're gonna hold the 800s and hold this 860 to 870, if they're going to do that, okay, give me that opportunity so I could take it back long around that area if that's what you're gonna do. But if that's not the game plan, if y'all really want to fill them orders all the way down in between 750 and 90 or whatever, and I'm in the short, I'm willing. I'll accept that too. That would be nice, but just don't stair step it. Give me the elevator. Take the elevator down. You know.
Yeah. No, they
Like that would.
want bears to be stressed out as possible. They don't want to see us win.
That's a 9K play if we get to set. If I hold this short and we get down to 750, that's a 9K play.
What are you
But I'm
gonna
not.
do? Are you gonna take the
I'm
chance?
not holding. I'm not holding. I got to see some momentum. I got to see momentum.
Man, it would be nice. Yeah, I kind of want to know what happened to Derek, man. I hope that I guess the next time we'll see him, I'm gonna ask him, like, dude, like, what happened? Did you hold or did you fold?
I hope he held. I hope he held too.
Dude, I want him. I want to see him say that he held that. Because
how
dude,
much would
that's one of those. Go ahead.
how much would that have been if you said he was already an 11K profit, right, at the time,
Yeah,
and that was at 700 or
630.
Like close to close to 700.
Mm-hmm.
Imagine holding for 200 more points. God.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh man.
Yeah, hopefully he held, man. Hopefully Derek held because man, talk about and this was in his funded account too. That means you can just get your $100 or $200 for whatever however long he got and request 50% of your account. I mean, you can't beat that, man.
Oh, I read I went back and read the zero. UProfit's kind of slick for that. They got caps on on their payouts. The first 5.
Oh,
It's a
really?
cap. Yeah. But I'm like, you say you could take out 50%, but that's not really true. If you capping
How much they cap it?
for the 50K, it's 2K.
Oh, so you can only pull out 2K? Like, hold on, that's not 50% then.
I know it's
What
not.
the hell?
That's the cap that they got on the 50Ks.
Man, that's crazy. They say you can take out 50% of your account. What's up with that? You profit.
This
Bastard.
misleading verbiage.
Uh-huh. They probably take profit. Probably was like, yo, Smith, yo, watch this guy. Put that cap, just sneak that cap in there. Sneak that cap in there. It's gonna
Yeah.
take you.
Yeah, this
Oh, so that's
platform is
interesting, huh?
it's trading view. Yeah, but yeah, because I went back because one of the dudes was asking me yesterday about the accounts, and I guess he had read the fine print, saw the or in the you know how they got the frequently asked questions and stuff on about it. So yeah, I went back in there earlier. I was like, "You sons of guns, son of a bee!" Like that don't, yeah, it don't make any sense. Like the way they worded it, it makes you think, okay, yeah, you could take out 50% of your profits, which is basically like Top Step, but they put caps on it. I'm like, whatever. I'm fine building the capital up and taking out 2K a week.
Yeah, I mean that's not too bad, man. That's not too bad. Ah, my bad, guys. So using my Mac that I sometimes do the gesture on this app on this Windows device, and I guess it does the same thing.
Nice. Also caught 200 points. Dang. Love to see it. Love to hear it. I've missed so many pumps though, due to like just foolery. Foolery. Not even. It's not even on me. It's not like I was sitting behind the charts ready to go, and like it's not like I like just didn't push the button, just didn't execute. No, I just haven't been. It's the timing. I haven't been in front of the charts at the right time. I missed all these pumps, especially the one where you were high and you were talking about it.
Yeah, okay. I'm reading the policy now. Yeah, I see it. It's the first 5 payout requests. Access 50% of your profits generated. The other 50% remains in your account.
Yeah, so I don't know why
they.
But then they also got caps on it. They got a max that you could take. Do you see that? They got a max withdrawal or something.
Yeah, the way, like, dude, it's sneaky because, like, even the example is sneaky. They think they're slick with that example that they use because they don't get
Yeah.
you look at that and be like, oh yeah, that's 50% of the account. Yeah. Yeah, because they use the example of if you get because you start off with 30K, and if you build the account up to 2,400, you can request up to 1,200, making you think that that's 50%. Yeah, okay.
Yeah. I told you, ain't it sneaky? And I saw that too. When I read that earlier, I was like, y'all some, man, whatever. I'm still gonna bankrupt y'all. You just delaying the process.
A slow bleed, baby.
Yep.
Slow bleed.
Oh shoot, here come the buyers. Come the buyers.
Yeah.
Gave me another chance. Yeah, I think should I take break even?
Nah, I'm holding, baby. I'm holding. I mean, I got my stops where they need to be at, man. I'm like I said, man. I think the Bears got it, cause it ain't going up, but at the same time, it ain't going down either. So I mean, I'm gonna trust this double top, and I got my stop above it. So I mean, if I wake up and we get this super pump, Damn, I mean, I'm ready to accept that. The NASDAQ requires sacrifice anyway, so
I can't sacrifice this
I'll
one.
offer this account to you. You said what?
I said I can't sacrifice this one.
Yeah, I'm on. If it's your funded account, of course, close that shit, man. Like, this is an eval. Yo, what's up, Gameway? Are you short or are you long?
Gangway, you
gonna
better
tell
be
him about
short.
Gameway, you better be short, bro.
Also, I missed that
That's-
election pump too, man. I was devastated. Literally crying behind the screen, like devastated. So it was the pre-election pump and then the election pump. I missed both of them. I'm talking back when we was in the 300s. I missed both of them. Then there was a 100-point drop in 5 minutes.
Mm-hmm.
Or actually, it was in seconds. But the candle was a 5-minute candle. But it happened in seconds. I literally
Gameway, I'm
turned
short.
away. There you go. I clicked
I'm
off
short,
to
my
see
guy.
the election numbers, and then I clicked back to the charts. Price was down 107 points. I was like, what the F happened? What was that? I've literally blinked and missed it. Uh-oh, I dumped Cinderella. Says he's going long. All right, don't find out. 920 is pretty close.
So like I said, I'm gonna stay short. I think this is just late bulls not accepting what's about to happen to them.
Is the clapping about
I'm
to
staying
begin?
short. Because, dude, I mean, we see this shit all the time now. Here's what I'm not saying. I'm not saying that we can keep going up to 2100 and I get stopped out of my position. I'm not saying that. What I am saying is that we see this shit all the fucking time, man. If we see a pump in one direction without price action, we're seeing an equal or greater move in the opposite direction. How many times does that have to happen before we get it? I'm not going to get emotionally caught up. Right now, I'm trying to short. I'm going to try. And if it goes up higher, I'm going to try again.
Said I gotta try. Nah, it does make sense. If it breaks these highs, yeah. Because there's
it's going higher for sure.
They're gonna drop it eventually. It's just a matter of when, being ready, and in front of your charts, being ready.
I will point this out, though. I will point this out. We did touch a previous area of resistance at 919. I think we might have went over 919, if I'm not mistaken. We got an area of resistance that has been untested. So we could see price continue past this area and go to 21K, or we could see price, people take profits here, and then the resting sell orders at this area get filled and we see a move down. Like I said, I'm not looking for a reversal. I'm just looking for a rejection.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I know. That's where we get caught up, though, man. We don't even be looking for like the full move, and then they can't even give us a partial. Just give me some of it, man. Give me a piece.
Yeah.
I'm not even asking for a full-fledged reversal. Just give me a piece. Let me get in where I fit in, man. But this tells me, these candles here tell me that they may dump it. I don't want to hold it though, 'cause I don't trust it. That's my only thing. I got trust issues.
Thank you.
With these shorts.
Well, I mean, like I said, man, when it comes to shorts, yeah, you're right. I mean, this is obviously a short on ES for sure. This is a short on ES for sure. Hopefully, it hits my target. It doesn't bounce.
Yeah, I don't trust them. It's stressful shorts. I've been in this for how long now? Since 7:50. So almost an hour. I'm barely below break even. They just give me trust issues, man. I used to love, man. I still love catching the shorts, the momentum shorts, aggressive, fear mongering shorts. I love that, but this making me wait for it, yeah, it's painful.
Game weight. I'm short all three. The trifecta: gold, Nasdaq, and ES. I'm short all three.
Oh dang!
I'm short all three.
Yeah, gold's drop has been pretty epic. Caught the top.
I mean,
because it was down like 68 points or something like that yesterday.
I think we still got some more selling to do on gold.
You
I mean,
think?
I might have made a mistake because it did bounce at a support area, but the way it's looking, this thing can keep going down. Like, people are selling out of gold. Are you still? Well, I'm gonna make the assumption that you already stopped out of that position.
Which one?
I'm
The
talking
gold
to
position?
Gainway because he.
Oh,
No, I'm talking to Gainway because he was saying that he was targeting 3K on gold, but I was like, well, let's make the assumption you're no longer in that position.
okay. Let me get back to the chart.
All right, so yeah, I'm sure I'm short everything. I'm short everything, everything. And I got like a 500 point stop on this. I got my stop at probably put it at 666. Yeah.
Yeah, the price action does suck for shorts. It does.
I mean, and that's the NQ. He said that's probably not getting no movement.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, y'all bulls got to eat already. Let us bears eat, goddammit. Let us eat. Shit.
Where's that?
Okay, here it comes. Here it comes.
Okay. Um, yeah. Not gonna lie, the long's been paying though.
Yeah.
What was this? I took this long here.
So also saying that we're all also then, huh? Everybody's also.
Yeah, man. I love making these.
Yeah, gain weight. I noticed that the other day. I'm trying to mentally block that out of my mind because I want all three to short. But yeah, I did notice that the other day because when my goal position was going down, the Nasdaq and the ES was like super pumping. I was like, yo, what the hell? But now that you confirm that for me now, I have to. Game Way's taking my dreams. You know what, Game Weight? Most of the time, I just trade price action. I do consider that some instruments diverge from each other. I do consider that, but then that's always going to be second to price action. If I see a short opportunity, I'm gonna take it. Okay. I'm gonna take it because as the market went up, gold did sell off. Why is this thing asking for that? Why is It's interesting how some of these applications will ask for permissions to go through your contacts. Like, why the hell do you need to go through my contacts? Like, that's crazy. Well, shit, right now, gold, ES, NASDAQ, all doing the same crap right now. Like, the price action almost looks very similar. Like, this little thing that gold is doing, the NASDAQ is doing, and the ES is doing, it's like, dude, it's the same thing. It's the same price action. The same structure. Yeah, I might have to cut this short on gold. We'll see. I mean, if it goes above that high, so if it goes above this high, I'm just gonna cut the whole position, like, because obviously it's trying to probably get back up here to 71, and I'm not. If they don't reject it right here, then it's highly likely trying to come back to 71 underneath this range right here. So I'm not gonna put too much risk on this. No, I appreciate that game weight. No, like I said, I appreciate anybody that's willing to share insight with other people. Like I said, I'm taking that into consideration. It's not like I'm not. Because like I said, I kind of noticed that the other day too, and I hate that. I hate that. But yeah, if this thing doesn't short here on gold, if this doesn't double top right here at 64, then I'm gonna get out of it. Because I know that it's most likely gonna come back up here to 671. And that's probably where we'll see the short. Let me actually put that on my chart. 671. 671.
All right, so we got the hourly.
Yeah, because we'll probably see like 69 or something, 699. Probably put that like right there. Okay, so I'm gonna stop out at like 65-ish, like above that double top, and if it keeps going, I got another short right here. I mean, it looks like the bears are holding off the bottom of that range so far. I mean, they're holding it off. I just can't imagine real buyers up here. I just can't imagine real buyers up here. I mean, like I said, the euphoria is gone already.
She just gave me 21.
And I'm thinking that the market wants to set itself up for F1 for the power pump tomorrow, unless we're getting the power dump. Did my daughter send my pen?
I'll dump, huh?
That would be crazy. That would be
Would
crazy
it?
if we get the Powell dump, yo. That would be crazy.
It would. I mean, well, let's think about it. Like, is he? Well, I know they've been on cutting rates now.
Mm.
Gonna do another 25. Is the consensus 25 basis points?
Yeah, it's 25.
50 is considered aggressive, but I know he ain't gonna do
Yep.
50. So, what if he leaves it unchanged?
Well, that would be unexpected, and the market would definitely react to that. That would definitely be a reaction because he already stated that he's doing at least a 25 basis point cut. If he and the betting markets are betting for a 25% basis cut. If he does nothing and leaves it unchanged, well, I guess that would spark the question, well, why the hell would he do that?
Cause he's Papa Pow, baby. He said, F your calls, F your puts. I wreck everybody. Everybody gets wrecked. Both directions.
So,
all right, Price. I don't want to play around and hold this because now I'm looking at the 4 hour. It does look interesting.
what do you
It
say?
does look interesting. It looks like it's time to short on it, but they took it down to these lows and bought it all the way up back up this high. So let's see. We get, yeah, I could see if we get a real short opportunity. I could see like 790 up there, 780.
760, huh? So there is definitely an area 760 right here at the bottom of this range. Let's look at that real quick. So there is a lot of price action in this 760 area. Price finally broke out. I'm thinking that if price comes back down here, we'll get people to buy it. At least the first go around, we'll get people to buy it.
Daddy, I got you.
What?
That could be a good point, Gameway. Gameway says that that there's people like us that's shorting everything, but not fully understanding the divergence between all the instruments. Hey man, this is a casino now, baby. It's a casino. I understand y'all real investors need to get out the way. I'm just playing. But yeah, that's true. I like I said, I don't necessarily care about the divergence. I mean, like the only one that we focused on the most before we started trading gold was if CL pumps, then NQ dumps and vice versa.
I got this.
I think there's only been a couple of times where both the NQ and CL pumped together. Yeah, I should have just went long on gold. I mean, I don't know why I tried to short gold from when it obviously bounced that freaking demand. All right. Okay. Yeah, I don't know why I did this one. I mean, it obviously bounced at this low. And I should have had a long sitting right here. That was my mistake. That was my mistake. I figured I'll just let my NQ tendencies project onto gold yet again. Man, I gotta stop doing that with NQ. Yeah. I mean, can you blame us? I mean, shit, NQ is like the closest thing to Forex that futures traders got. That's the closest thing that we got. If that's like the fastest moving instrument that futures got, at least that's, I mean, this is like the only branch I trade. I don't know about any other ones, but I'm just going to make the assumption that the NASDAQ is the fastest. It's kind of hard not to project that onto other instruments if that's the main one you trade. Gold is slow, but I mean, I got to do is set a limit and forget it and just be surprised at the green when you come back. 73, huh? I don't think it gets to 73 though. 71. Ugh. 74. 72. Hmm. Yeah. $665. If this thing pumps to 665 and drops, that's literally where I put my stop at. I just got stopped out of the position. If this thing drops, yo, man, you're gonna have a problem, gold. Man, you're gonna have a problem. So I literally stopped out at 65. Mm. Well, gain weight, I would definitely say part of that is true. I think people just want to just make money. Now, like the fundamental stuff, like the stuff that you're saying, like the divergence and stuff, I think we can safely say that a lot of people don't care about that. I think that can be safely said. But yeah, people do this. Yeah, gambling is fun. Gambling is fun, and that's I will say that that's probably what majority of people do when they start to trade, especially in these evals where there's really no risk to your real capital. I mean, the money that you spend on the evals, obviously you lose that, but I mean, there's no real risk to your capital. It's an eval. It's like a slot machine. You can gamble it. Whether you pass it or you lose it, it doesn't really hurt you for real. Dude, if this thing drops, yo, man, what the fuck, man? Man, go, what the fuck, man? Go. You better not drop. Mm.
Okay. We're back to break. I see we had. I was listening and I heard the indicator, the TickStrike. I heard the wrong sound in my ear. I was like, oh shoot. I see we pumped up and then it rejected back. I was right back to break even. uh do we stream every day? Pretty much, yeah.
This is
Um
life.
yeah. Sherm does every day. I'm just now getting back into it. Um I dump Cinderella. Hey, don't find out. Let the clapping might begin. I don't want you to get clapped. I know you was aiming for 920, but hey, I hope you took, what was this? 16. I hope you took it. Yeah, A B. I must have got like, no lie, like 10 or 15 random texts talking about, hey, your vote matters. I'm like, how are y'all getting my damn number? Leave my phone alone.
Oh yeah, the man of the hour, Derek. Yo, no, Derek. You saying the wrong things, bro. You saying the wrong things. What happened yesterday? Did you hold? Please tell us you held.
Derek,
Please
yeah.
tell us you held.
Sharon was telling me your story. I want to know. Please tell me you held that. I know Price was like 7 points away from your stop.
A little bit of both, game weight. I want to get better at the same time, having fun. But I do get where you're coming from, though. I do get it. But
I don't know where the big Play-Doh is.
now you got oh shit. You didn't revenge trade, so I mean, yeah, dude. Okay, yeah, that's like the best attitude to have about it. So he said he made 9,300. Hey, I mean, after seeing a drop like that, I mean, I think anybody would have closed that thing. I think anybody would have closed it, but and then just said, you know what? I'm just gonna step away from the charts. I'm gonna take my 9,300 and just come back tomorrow. I mean, I don't think anybody can fault you for that. Oh, no, 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 no. Smith, look back at the screen. Every time you look away, it jumps. Look back.
I see it. I was just screaming, no! I heard the indicator go off. I had to look. Body, hold on, give me a minute. I gotta focus on this stressful short. I gotta focus. Give me a minute. Give me a moment. It's literally my break even is literally like it's literally.
Dude, that's how it was yesterday, man. That's exactly how it was. Gameway, stop acting like that, bro. Stop acting like that. You know we value your opinion. Stop acting like that, man.
Oh my gosh. Let's take a look at ES again. Oh, what is this ES?
Hold on, the ES pump too? Ah, the ES pump too?
Yeah.
Ah.
I mean,
Man,
3 points.
okay.
3 points is.
Let me see.
Well, what happened?
Oh.
3 points is decent for this
Okay.
session. And of course, NQ likes to overdo
Right, that's
it.
how I'm gonna give it, man. That's how I'm gonna give it. I ain't gonna give it no more than that. I'm not gonna give it no more than that. Cause yeah, I think. I mean, we'll see what happens. I mean, if I wake up tomorrow and I'm stop out, I'll just flip. I'll just be a bull. because obviously the Bears ain't showing up. So I'll just be a bull tomorrow. It's fine. It's fine. I'll just be a bull.
It's fine.
It's not fine.
1975. No. Dump it. Dump it. Dump it. Dump it.
What's happening?
I'm just gonna look at the ES. I know the Nasdaq is just gonna do those things just to scare me.
Is that?
The Nasdaq's just gonna do those things just to scare me. I'm not gonna let her scare me.
No, it's funny. I was actually using the ES chart earlier to take my NQ trades. For real.
Yeah.
Because, like I was saying, like, she's the leader.
Mm-hmm. Mm.
Gold. I can't trade minis on this in this account with gold. I mean, you could trade micros on it.
Yeah.
Sherm is more on gold than me. I took one gold
Yeah, James.
trade.
Yeah, I re-entered short on gold. Like, dude, this shit literally touched my stop loss and fucking and dropped, yo. Yeah, fucking gold, bastard. But yeah, so Gamewit was saying that if the ES and Nasdaq is going up, then you really shouldn't be. So I guess you shouldn't be shorting gold, ES, and Nasdaq at the same time because they diverge from each other. I mean, like, yeah. So I'm guessing that gold can kind of be like a hedge. So if ES is going up, then I guess shorting the Nasdaq would probably be like the best thing to do. But being short in both instruments or on all three would be counterproductive. And so honestly, I'm not familiar with it. I'm starting to see people say they're getting their payouts from Apex again, but I haven't traded with Apex because of their stupid trailing drawdown. So obviously I would blow all my accounts trading with Apex because I would have to go back to scalping, and I'm not a scalper.
Yeah, Apex is more my style.
Or at least I try not to trade.
That's crazy working, Q. Nah, don't push back up. They literally using my break even as support. But I mean, I can see why these EMAs are kind of lumped together.
And that's, I mean, as a bear, that's exactly what you want to see. You want to see the EMAs all hugging in one spot, because if they're not hugging it, like, dude, if they're all separated, because I mean, the only reason why we got this bounce is because it bounced off the 200 EMA. But once you see price, these EMAs start to flatten out and start to curve down, then, and as soon as the bears see that, they're going to close price right underneath them EMAs and use them EMAs to start to short. Kind of like what happened in this area right here. They was using the EMAs to short, and then the bulls, it got real close together. The bulls popped above it, used it as support, and kept going. That's why these EMAs are definitely beneficial when you trade. When they're all separated like this, I ain't shorting. I just know that if it ain't gonna jump off the 21, it's gonna jump off the 50. It's like a trend channel that buyers like to use to buy and short. And if VWAP is underneath me, and then I already know that shit. I don't play with VWAP. I don't play with the 200 EMA. Because the market loves those two EMAs for whatever reason, or the 200 EMA and VWAP. I mean, I guess, dude. I guess, bro. I guess. I guess. I guess. I guess. I guess. If the Bulls can hold this, then I'm gonna have to probably get out of this, man, because they can really do some damage. And if the move, okay, so this is what I'm gonna do. If we get to like 10 o'clock and price hasn't moved, I'm not gonna quit on this position, but I'm definitely gonna reduce my. I'm just gonna probably reduce it anyway. Because I mean, if it gets above this high, if it gets above 930, I mean, we're gonna short squeeze anyway. The Bears literally have to hold the bottom of this range. If they don't hold it, then we're gonna short squeeze higher to 21K. I mean, but the ES is the ES is the only thing that's giving me hope.
The ES, you said the ES is giving you hope?
Yeah, that's the only thing that's giving me hope right now.
What are you seeing that I'm
hope
not?
This double top at 967. Because if it trades above 967, then you're wrong. We're wrong. If it trades above it, we're wrong.
I can't.
So that's a clean double top. I mean, this is a clean. This is a classic short pattern. You got your double top reversal. You got the breaker structure going to the downside, and then the bears are supposed to come and short this right here. And this is where the bears have to hold for continuation. If the bears don't hold this and we trade above that double top at 67, well, we're wrong. And since the ES is not a leader,
oh, there we go.
Unless bears get no love, man. They get no love.
I knew I should have got out with all this nonsense. All right, ES, what you have to do?
I want this one.
You want what?
This one. It's that ball. Balls are my favorite. One.
Okay.
Yes.
That's me.
Thank you. Unbreak my heart. Unbreak my heart. Say you'll dump it again. Nah, they going for.
Okay. Well, hey, we tried, bro. I'll just be a bull tomorrow. we tried. I'll just be a bull. It's not fair.
They are just running through this. They are running through like what?
They running all that liquidity right there. All them bears that just failed. All them bears that failed in that area.
I mean, it makes sense. I would have just rather have been in at my spot at 870 where I wanted to be in at. I didn't like the position I had at 898. But
well, let's see if the ES holds right here, then we have a chance. If the ES holds, we have a chance.
So you're telling me there's a chance?
We have a chance if the ES holds. Actually, let me actually look at the ES book map. Nice.
He just ran up like 6 points.
Yeah, so there's a wall at 69 on ES. There's a wall there. We'll see if the Bears hold it off, but man, the CBD is mad positive right now, man.
Oh yeah, it is. It's positive on the NQ. I didn't even look at that.
Okay. Hey. I gotta try.
9:30.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes. Hey, hurry.
Man.
12 and yeah.
Low gain weight.
Let's go.
Okay. So if we see price breakout above that high at 935, we're going to 50. If we see price break above that high. So we just got to be prepared for that. Or shit, are you still in that same position?
Yeah, I am. I'm just looking at book map and ES. Dang, that cleared out the.
The Bears just need to hold this range. They just need to hold the top of this range, and we should be good. But if not, then it's going to 50. At least 50. And then it could possibly keep going up to 21. Because, I mean, dude, if it goes past 50, of course it's going to 21. Unless it pulls that same crap like it did the last time. Or it's like, yeah, we're going to 21K, we're going to 21K. And then it completely drops and goes the opposite direction out of nowhere. Ooh, hey. Okay, so I got something that can give us hope right now. You want to hear it?
Let's hear it.
So 935 is a 23%.
Let's go.
Oh, for real?
Yeah. 925 or 935 is a 23%. And we got the rejection from that level the first time.
I don't think the Bulls care about that right now.
Hey man, we gotta give it hope. We know the 23% is the truth. We can't let our emotions cloud that. I mean,
Yeah.
time and time again, the 23% has held true. It has held true. They reject it at the 21 to 23% if they can't find support above it. And when they do find support above it, it's support. This thing has been showing us time and time again that 23% is the truth. So, like I said, if it gets above this level, then we're seeing that squeeze. And if it doesn't, then we drop it.
I want to see NQ flash crash. Flash crash it.
Not try it. Not to try it. Number 2. It's not quite. Have another try. Oops. This is the number 2. Let's see. Crash the number 5. Not quite. How nice it. How nice it.
Number 5.
No, this is the number.
Press it.
I may or may not have a shorting gap or a shorting problem.
I may or may not. You gotta be looking down at the floor the whole time. I may or may not.
Have a shorting problem.
Yeah. Well,
can't even look your wife in the eye and admit you got a problem.
Press number
You
3.
can't even look her in the eye. Shut up.
Where's number 3? Okay, baby. Good job.
Still volume.
Yeah. Apparently the market wants to. Obviously, it wants to go to. Let's see. Let's look at that real quick.
Wants to make all-time highs on ES. Wants to keep
Oh shit! NQ has.
bullish.
Oh shit! NQ still got some ways to go before
Yeah.
it makes all-time highs. NQ still got ways to go. Isn't it like at like 21 or 22K or something like that? Yeah, it's like 21,200. So 21,218 is all-time highs for Nasdaq.
Where do you see that at? I had 2983. All
You said
time
what?
high. 2983.
You might be looking at the continuous contract because yeah, we kind of figured that there's different all-time highs on different contracts. So the continuous one, I was looking at that same one, and then someone was like, "Yeah, that's not the all-time highs for me." So we did this whole deep dive, and yeah, I guess the continuous contract is wrong. The December contract has the all-time high as 21,218, but the continuous contract has like the 20,009 something or whatever it is.
Yeah. Yeah, look at continuous. Alright, yes. I'm looking for it.
Yeah, but like I said, I'm not gonna let this go all the way. I'll probably put this at like 46 or something. I'm not gonna have the whole position go off at. Actually, I'm just gonna give myself like 36 points. Like at 48.50. Yeah, probably like 49. Give myself 36 points of risk on this trade instead of the full 50. Because like I said, if it goes above this range, we're squeezing. We're squeezing. The Bears have to hold. The Bears have to fight. Fight, Bears, fight.
Fighting for our lives right now. I mean, I will say the... No, I'm not gonna say that just yet. We'll see. That's 15. Sooner or later, it all comes crashing down. Crashing down.
No wonder. No wonder. No wonder.
Oh shoot. Yes, got the... Yes, got the green light on.
Is it the ES? Okay.
Don't like
So
that
it looks
one
like it
bit,
swept liquidity
ES.
on ES. It looks like we swept liquidity on the ES. Looks like we swept liquidity on ES, so I'm going to keep my stop where it's at on the ES. I think it's at a good spot. That's 10 points of risk. I don't want to put 10 points of risk on.
Yeah.
Mm.
Think. Yeah, ES. I'm looking at the two charts. ES is overshooting NQ. I mean, I guess that makes sense for
Oh shit.
ES is at all-time
Oh.
highs.
Oof. Ah shit, man. Ah man. I mean, am I willing to hold that overnight? Okay, so I'm looking at ES, and I'm thinking that we can possibly see a move back down here to like 33, 34, possibly, because of all this consolidation right here. Because you can see that this is where they broke out at, and they might try to come back down and try to rebalance this. We'll see what happens tomorrow. I don't want to put this as a trade overnight, though. I don't want to put this as a trade overnight. Okay, so we're seeing that rejection on ES, which is a good thing because it's a sweep of liquidity above those highs. So having my stop literally at above this high right here, because anything above 69 would be, I would be wrong. This is a double top here on the ES.
Yeah, NQ looks weaker than ES right now.
Okay, so we're seeing that drop on ES. And we're seeing that drop on NASDAQ. Okay.
Breaking retests. Crashing down. Crashing down. Nah, you might be probably right on that. I mean, I could take a less of an L now. Still take a L, but less of an L. Sweet.
What are you willing to live with?
You know what? Nah. Let's risk it for the biscuit. Let's risk it for the biscuit. Alright, take me to point of control.
Yep.
Take me to point of
That is
control.
exactly right, Nate. Nate said, you rather feel pain of regret or pain of loss. Which pain would you rather choose? You damn right. Pain of regret pain of loss every time, because I ain't trying to regret nothing. The regret will have you thinking like 10 years, like, dude, you talking to your grandkids, and then randomly you think about, damn, there was that one time where I prematurely closed out of that damn position, and it went in my direction. Yo, pain of regret is, dude, it's lifelong lasting, dude. Yeah, but man, you'll get over a loss. You'll get over that shit. I'll cry about it, and I'll get over it.
You get over that.
I'll get over it. I still think about that one position, man.
Which one? 500
Anyone
point
says
play.
sell crack and get money. All right, we back in green, baby. We back in green. We back in green.
Mhm. All right, I'm gonna step
What do
away.
you?
I'm gonna step away
He said
from
what?
this real quick. I'm gonna step away from
Bro,
this
don't
real
do that.
quick. Yep.
Man, don't do that, man. Every time you look away, man. Every freaking time you look away.
Price bounces.
Let's give him hope and then take it away.
Gotta put this girl to bed. She's way too late and she gotta get up early. I will be right back.
Mhm.
Price, just continue down. Just give me break even.
You'll
That's
take
all
it at
I'm
break
asking
even?
for. I'll take it at break even.
So I'm guessing you choosing pain of loss or pain of regret.
I'll take break even. I'm not gonna be regretting. I don't think I'm gonna be regretting anything because especially if it holds this EMA. If it holds this EMA. If it holds this EMA. Let's see. But the NQ likes to overdo it. She likes to overshoot, and she's showing more weakness than ES right now. So that may be on in my favor right now. But hold on. Do not pump. Do not pump. I can still hear it. I can hear the indicators. Even
I'm
if
gonna
I look
pump.
away.
I mean, like I said, man, if this thing goes for the ES, I mean, now the only reason why I'm in this short is because I shorted the open and I initially caught this drop. It's just that my targets didn't get hit, unfortunately, and I got stuck after it pumped. Like, dude, as soon as I came back to my desk around 8 o'clock, yeah, this is where price was at. And I was like, fuck, man, you couldn't even drop 2 more points and hit my target? Like, come on, ES. You trying to beat a NASDAQ or something? You trying to beat a NASDAQ? Like, why you bounce at 54? Why you bounce at 50? Why you bounce at 54? You could have came down here to 48. But and I was short on the NASDAQ and the ES. It's just that, I mean, it didn't get anywhere close to my target on the NASDAQ. So I mean, I can't really cry about that. It didn't get anywhere close, but and as soon as Smith walks away, look at that green candle. It's like that green candle. Smith, you still there? You still there?
I'm here. I'm here.
Oh, you haven't walked away yet?
I did. I came back to see that candle.
The NASDAQ is watching the stream. She's like, nah.
She's like,
Stressful shorts, man.
Stressful shorts. You don't want it any other way. Yeah, because this would definitely have to flip here. Yeah. Damn, we couldn't even touch the 21.
And I guess I could close it for a break even, but I mean, if it comes down to it, if I have to get a no account tomorrow, then which I have to get a new account tomorrow if it comes to it. Comes down to it. All right, so yeah, I mean, honestly, they kind of have to hold this. So, what the high right now is 935 right here. I mean, the bears kind of dropped it. Yeah, because I mean, if they run this, then this is liable to go up to like the 50, 60. and keep going. So I'm not going to give this too much risk. I'm just going to give it 10 more points above this range, 10 points above the range. Probably like 11 points.
This is the clapping. Because they had every opportunity to take that down to my break even.
It's like we don't want to give you that break even yet. Yeah. You know, I was asking myself this question. Like, I was like, dude, like, why do I get this way? Like, why is all that? Because I mean, I know we're in a bull market. I know I don't know it's being extremely bullish right now. But every time there's like a major news event and the market goes in one direction, my bear instincts kick in. It overrides all logic, and I'm just shorting this thing, and I'm shorting, and I'm shorting, and I'm shorting, and I'm hoping and hoping and hoping. And I just can't help to short it.
Yeah.
What the hell is up with that?
Now she's overshooting. Like, dude,
It's like I'm looking for that big reversal. I'm looking for that big reversal.
Structure. Break a structure. The only hope for this is this double top, and I don't think they care about that. Like you said, I think they want to, at least on NASDAQ, at least run a 950.
Yeah.
And that's just hurts my heart, NQ. Hurts my heart. Stressful shorts. I could have been in this with y'all longs. I could have been in it and made all that money. I decided to take the stressful path.
I mean, yeah, it's stressful, but it just made more sense. I mean, it just made more sense to go short. But I mean, if you caught the short at the open, like I did, and like I said, that's the only reason why I'm in the short is because I caught it at the open. It just didn't hit my target, and I'm not going to close it. So, it always seems to be very good at that. Like when everybody is shorting, the market likes to go long, obviously because it's running stops. But
it all comes crashing down, crashing down.
Well, I guess my put's about to be. I mean, I bought puts for Friday. So we'll see what happens with FOMC tomorrow. I bought puts for Friday.
Yeah, so you're telling me there's a chance.
But I should have bought the calls for yesterday, man. I really don't know why. Like I fumbled that bag like that, man. I fumbled that bag with options. But like I said, I'm not trading options anymore after this. I'm tired of being right and then still losing money. Like I hate that shit. Because the premium is gone. So you gotta be right about the time you buy it. You gotta buy it at the right time or buy it at the right price, and then you hope that there's enough momentum to increase the premium of your option contracts. I just might as well just buy and sell futures.
Yeah. It all comes crashing down. That's from James, that's from the Piece by Piece documentary, the Lego movie. I forgot about that song. I ain't heard it in so long until I saw that documentary. Come on, ES. ES, if you true to your game, damn. Now the NQ's getting overzealous.
Shit, it's crazy that the ES is just sitting here not doing nothing. That's crazy. Like it's literally floating in midair.
6, almost 7 points.
We'll see what happens, man. I got my stops in place. Do you got it? Yeah, okay, never mind. I see your stop loss.
No, you don't see it because it's not on the chart. I'm just actively watching this.
So I guess we have to talk about this, but where are you going to get out at? Or do you want to silently hope?
I'm gonna get out. She pumps past 30. I mean, I'm literally like right there. I could get out now, but no, NQ, you gotta have to prove to me that you want that you want this.
Because like I said, the ES, dude, this is, I mean, the ES has already swiped liquidity above this high. If it trades above 68, then that means it's going higher and we're wrong. So at least the ES is set up to go short. But the NASDAQ looks like it wants to keep going up. But we are starting to see some resistance in this range. And the bears, like, dude, the bears have to hold this range. If they can hold this range, then we can see a rejection from this range. If they trade above this range, we're breaking out. I mean, it's because all the stops that's building above this range right here, we'll see a stop run higher. And we'll most likely go to 50. Most likely. And then past 50, we can go to 21K. I mean, shit, why wouldn't? I mean, if we get past 950, we might as well go to 21K. Like, we might as well. Like, why would you stop?
Yeah.
I mean, I guess I mean, it could be a potential head and shoulders pattern at 976, but I'm not going to have a stop all the way up there. I'm not having no stop up there. And that 23% is still holding too. It's still holding at the 23%. So, I mean, I guess if you want hope, the 23% is still holding. They still holding it.
Y'all are funny. You're gonna make me sit in this pain and wait to get clapped. Like, you wanna be disobedient to the charts? You wanna go against this? Okay. I'm gonna slowly clap you. That's wild. And like I said, again, I had every opportunity to get out below here, but it wasn't my target. It was not my target.
Hey, and Pine Tree Trader, yeah, I saw that. So I was like, yo, that's a liquidity sweep. So I mean, if they don't knock it down, then I mean, it's going up. I've come to terms with that. Come to terms. I will definitely just be a bull tomorrow and get my money back. But right now, and just like Nate says, yep, the odds are telling us to go long. The charts are telling us to go long, but my heart is telling me to go short. My bare heart is telling me to go short. I'm gonna go short, goddammit. I'm gonna go short.
Oh shoot, come on AQ, you gotta break below this 21. You gotta break below. Oh man. Y'all are hilarious though. You gotta break below this 21 EMA to give me real hope. But I'm not, how should I put it? I see what's going on because I got another chart here on the side. That's what I'm looking at. As I'm looking off to the side, I do see what's right there. I do see that that's like probably going to be demand, and they're going to buy it up, even if it does. Let's say it does break 913. They're probably going to buy it up around here, if it even gets down there. But
Where's your break even at?
I see it 908. 908.
908.
Right at which has become point of control on this 15-minute chart.
I mean, 908 is actually the 21 EMA on my 1800 tick chart. But the trend indicator is at 989. I'm sorry, 897. So if we do see price drop, it's highly likely that the bulls will buy it at 897. I mean, all right, ES. I mean, like I said, you're giving everybody hope that this is a real short. I mean, the NASDAQ, we know she's crazy, but we know you ain't that crazy. We'll see what happens. We'll see if I'll probably get price to go underneath my break even. And then probably pop above it again. We'll see. I mean, if it pops above it again, then I know that it's going to start trading higher. If we find support around 961 to about 959, then that's going to be enough for the bulls to take out these highs, and we're going to go higher. That's going to be enough. We would need the bulls, the bears to break underneath this level with some authority on the ES. And then that's going to be confirmed for the shorts. But
hold on, let me see.
Yeah, we'll see what happens, man. We'll see. Especially if you get a break below the 21 EMA on ES, then yeah, that means that the bears are in control. No matter how many times the bull's going to pop it up, the bears are in control. If we can get that close, that strong close underneath the 21. You said tight stops? Says our boy Gain Weight says he's going short here. So hold on, you going short on the ES or on the NASDAQ?
It all comes crashing down.
Look at the ES, man. Okay, no. So they got a wall right there at 50. I wonder if they're going to do the same thing that they did right here. But I mean, even if they do bounce it here, so like I said, if we get a break below here, I mean, shit, no matter what the bulls do, the bears got it. If we can see a candle like that, and then we can see a nice strong follow-up candle like this, I mean, it doesn't matter if they come back into demand. We'll see that rejection right there at that breaker structure. We'll see that rejection at the breaker structure. If we can get price to just have a strong close underneath that little level right there. And then the bears would need to just come in right here and just to short this thing right back down.
I would love to see price ES get down to 960. 959, 960. I would love to see that because that means NQ will overshoot and I can get out of this position in profit and go to bed. They making me wait for it.
Oh, he wants to sleep? Make him wait. Paint a bull flag and then drop it and then pump it.
You're not going to sleep.
Well, if Bogdanov wants you to if he wants you to get put to sleep, you have no choice. Put him to sleep.
Put him to sleep.
Wake him up.
He sewed. Pump it. He sewed. He bought the dip.
Dump it some more. No, he's trying to kill himself. He wants some immortality. But dude, it really is that, dude. Like, dude, it is really that deep. It's like we don't want to just take his money. We also want to take away his happiness. We also want to take away his happiness. Give him hope and then take it away. Talk about fucking being so like, dude, you gotta be evil for that to give you pleasure, man. That is just so evil.
Oh man, yeah. James, I'm from originally I'm from Cali, but I stay on the East Coast now. Uh, yeah, this is crazy. Gonna be crazy to get through if we even approach down here. I feel like demand is waiting right at my break even.
Yep, that's how it works.
Yeah.
I mean, we're seeing
Yeah.
that sell off on ES at least, but I mean, we still need to break it below 58. We still need to get a break below 58.
Yeah, because ES, if they get it down here to even 59, I feel like the buyers will step in there. But that should be enough to get me break even and close this out, so I don't take a L. London probably gonna, man, they probably gonna buy this mess up, to be honest. But then
it really depends. Okay.
Oh well, yeah, you're right. Because if they're swinging, and they got their long positions due to the election or whatever, then they probably gonna want to take profit. But I'm not staying up.
Yeah.
I'm not waiting to find out. You either, hey Q, you either go below break even and dump this thing finally, or you get here and I get out. I'll take the L. Let's hope for the downside.
Oh, your entry's at 908. Okay, I was about to say.
Yeah,
My entry's at
908.
912. Actually, I mean, shit, your entry's like literally 4 points away from mine.
Yeah.
I'm about like what 5 points away from my break even, but I'm not taking it though.
You're not taking it?
Nope. I'd rather live, like Nate says, I'd rather feel the pain of loss than the pain of regret. I'm gonna try, baby.
Gotta try. I gotta try.
I'm a bear. I gotta try.
They better not take it back up here. Give me a continuation. Little continuation. Goes a long way.
Yeah, well. Yeah, we'll just come back tomorrow, man. I'll just be a bull, like I said. I'll be a bull. Yeah, hold on. Do you how long are you willing to stay up? I'll be emotional support for only so long.
Nah, you can go ahead and go.
Nah, I'm gonna stay on for like maybe like 10, 15 more minutes. How long you willing to stay? Cause I'm like, dude, I'm like, hold on, cause your entry's like 4 points underneath mine, so you should be good. I think we should see like a nice red candle pretty soon. Because obviously the bulls are buying it right now. They're buying it, but we're not getting we're not getting any follow through right here. I mean, the bears are holding this range, and as if you're in a short position, that's what you want to see. You want to see the bears holding this range. We don't want to see them find demand at the bottom of this range right here, but We don't want to see that.
Yeah. If I stay up for London, I'm gonna be too tired to catch the cash session.
Yeah, I was just thinking that. But I understand that it could come to that. And get
It
ugly
could
tonight.
come the way they playing around with price. It could. Shoot.
I mean, shoot, we're all traders. We all know how that shit is. It's like, dude, it's a perfect example of the separation between mind and body, because our mind are like, dude, just put a stop and go to bed. But nah, that's not how that
Right.
shit works.
Or if you
It's
see,
not how that shit
yeah,
works.
if you did that and you see it hit your stop first before and then going in your direction, oh, I'd be so mad. Oh, I'd be so upset.
Hmm.
And I feel like there'd be more opportunity in the New York session anyway than
Yeah.
versus tonight. I mean, London maybe you can catch something in London, but nah, you already know New York session gonna be wild. And what we got? What's tomorrow? Thursday? Let me check the news. See what we
Yeah, we
got.
got job numbers in the morning, which is
Oh
going to play
yeah,
like a
yeah.
big part in the direction the market takes tomorrow. Big number. Like if we see a good job number tomorrow, we're going to see a dump. The reason why it's highly likely that we see a dump is because the reason why we got this rate cut in the first place is because Powell was claiming that the labor market is weakening. That's why he cut. Now, we all know that Powell's going to come and cut rates anyway, but this is the markets we're talking about. They're irrational as fuck. So we see a good job number. It's, oh my God, he may not cut. We may not get 25 basis points, blah, blah, blah. Let's sell up our positions. And then when he does it, they're going to pump it to the moon, the Powell pump. I mean, they play this game so often, it shouldn't even be a surprise. If we see a bad number, then we're pumping, because then the assumption would be, oh shit, he has to probably get really aggressive now. We might get a 50 basis point, even though it's highly likely that he'll just do 25. I mean, it's like, it just seems like the market now is just buy the rumor and sell the fucking news. Like, I mean, that's basically the market now. And so that's what I'm going to be keeping my eyes on tomorrow, how the job numbers come out, and just
Mhm.
trade the reaction accordingly.
Yeah.
All right, bro. You're about like what, 4 points away. What are you going to do? What are you
Hey,
going to do?
don't make me choose. Nah. I see it. I see it. I'm trying not to because if we can get just one of them, them NQ, you know how she do. Like a 10, 12 point candle and then how she gets bought back up. If we can get something like that from here, I'm probably gonna take it. Probably gonna take it because I could close out now, take a less of an L, but I think we got a little bit of momentum right now. Hopefully, we
Mm-hmm.
did just. Oh yeah, let me see. But we need ES to follow through.
Yeah, ES is like literally both my positions are 2 points away from my break even. It's like we don't want to give it to him just yet. We just want to float in midair and make it look at us, like look at us, look at us.
We're
We're
right
almost at
there.
your break even.
Dangle the carrot in front of you. You're right there. What you gonna
Yeah.
do? You gonna close out before we dump?
It's your last chance. We're gonna pump. We're pumping. We're gonna hit your stop if you don't close the position.
That happened. Hey, that you laugh. That happened earlier in my short earlier. I had so many opportunities to get out. So many. Yeah. If we can get these EMAs to tighten up,
Mhm.
EMAs, start slanting down. Yeah. Oh, she right there. Should I take VWAP if we go? How much is that? Heck
Uh,
no. I'm not. I haven't been sitting in this for 3 hours just to take that. Nah. You gotta give me something real, NQ.
I mean, shit. If we get underneath the 21, dude, that's it. VWAP.
Where's the
Well, okay.
21?
So on my chart, VWAP is at 898.
Mine's at 900.
Dude,
So
it's about the same. Dude, if we break below the 21 EMA, that shit ain't about to bounce at no VWAP. It's right there.
where's
Unless
your
they
21
bounce at that VWAP. He said what?
Oh, you see what she just did? 908.50. Yo. What,
Yo, she's so nasty, though. She's so
where's
nasty, yo.
Where's your 21 on your tick chart?
It's at 909, 908, 908. Oh, there we go. We need a hold. We need a hold under here.
Come on, Bears. Hey, gain weight. Ooh, caca. That's your signal.
Don't make gain weight go heavy. Don't make them go heavy. Go heavy, gain weight.
Hey,
we
go
need
heavy.
You.
Throw 200
Our
cons.
sim shorters need you.
Go throw 200 cons on that. Make them panic. Put that fear in there.
Yeah, spoof it. Put 1,000 contract shorts.
Yo, that would be crazy. I want to see something like that. It just pop up on Bookmap and then disappear.
Oh man, just 1,000 contracts. We gotta short it. Short.
Hey, James, we hold strong, baby. Nah, this ain't like me. Normally I would have been out, but I sat through all that pain. I ain't sit through for nothing, baby. Let's get rewarded. Give me my reward.
I mean, so the Bears held that range, and that's what we want to see. They held that range. And so now price is underneath that range. What we don't want to see is the Bulls buy it back up at this 21, and we get price a bullish engulfing candle closing back within that range, because at that point, yeah, bro, you're gonna have to kind of close out because that'll be
we cooked
super
at that
bullish.
point.
Yeah, we don't want to see a bullish engulfing candle closing back within that range.
I think ES can at least give us 560. I want to see 559. I think she could at least give us 560. And if she gives us that, then NQ is gonna drop right along with her.
Like I said,
should be nasty.
Actually, she would need to go. She would need to close underneath that. She would need to close underneath that to get that drop. Because if they don't, they'll just pop it right back up.
I'm okay with that. Like, if we can get because you know how the NQ she overdoes it. So if ES gets to, drops 3 points from where it's at, NQ's gonna overdo it. Now, yeah, I'm gonna have to be ready. I'm gonna have to be ready to exit or whatever, but dang, hopefully they don't step in here. That would just be nasty work.
Yeah, and if they do come in here on the ES, then yeah, this is done. This is gonna run them highs if they do come in right here. Unfortunately. Unfortunately. Well, I mean, a few things can happen. We could get that because after a big move, we usually do see the market like to trade back and forth between a high before we see a move to either side. It likes to quadruple bottom and quadruple top before it actually moves.
That ain't what I want to see right now. I want to F it, man. I'll take you up. Come on, NQ. I just want to go to bed.
It's nah, shit. You better get your pillow. You better get your pillow. He said, because you about to be in this one for the long run.
Nah,
you better get your blanket.
Yeah. Get your blanket and pillow. Make yourself comfortable in that chair. Like, no. Please, I just want to drop it, Q. You know, I actually saw that coming because they usually do that point of control on this 15-minute. My break even is at the point of control. I was only able to get a point in profit before they took it back up. Then this candle opens up at 9:09. We do got a lot. We got all this to get through though. If she's gonna really drop, and I want to see.
I think
it
when we
done
finally drop, it's gonna be vicious.
That's what I'm. Yeah, that's what I'm about to say. I want to see it done with the quickness. I don't want to see none of this stair stepping mess. I want to see it do almost like a flash crash or a grab for liquidity down here, and they take it back up. I'll live with that.
Taven says we're about to sell. He says that the 1 minute didn't put in a new high and it's still selling. 15 minutes shows selling. So I should look at the 15 minutes. I really don't even look at it. Like I said, I don't look at time charts.
Oh, I look at it.
What you seeing? Yo, I mean the TickStrike is showing -10 and -9 on ES right now. I mean, I don't know. We should be hopeful for that. But let's look at that.
Let me see what CL doing. CL pumping or.
Man, if you broke my heart, gold. Okay, at least gold is still pumping. Okay, gold is still
short.
Pumping.
Oh, you were long gold.
Nah. Hopefully
you
that
short
didn't really
gold.
disconnect me. Yeah, I was short. And I just got out of it because I was like, man, it's looking like it's about to pump. And like I said, Gangway, we listen to you, Gangway. We appreciate your knowledge. Gangway was talking about. You don't listen to him. Like, do we listen to you, bro? You know, you're a great trader. But I was like, yeah, because like I said, I noticed that the other day too. That gold and the indices usually diverge from each other, which I guess, yeah, it makes sense. It makes sense.
Damn. Yes, man. What are you doing?
So I closed out of my short because it does look like it's about to keep pumping. So I'll just wait for another opportunity on gold. Wait, if it gets higher. I am looking at a possible short at 26.71. I probably might set a limit and probably like have like a 3-point stop on it. Because I mean, if it doesn't short right here, I mean, if we at least don't get a short back down to like 260 or something. But I really wanted to come all the way down here though. Because I mean, we got a big move down. The bulls got that move right back up, and then they shorted and they broke structure. They broke structure right here. And so they're gonna probably come right back up to this range. Or probably get like a move back up to this range right here. 78 probably. Yeah, I'll probably short 70. I'll probably short 77. Yeah, I think we can probably get to 77. But then the 200 EMA is already right here, so 71 actually might be. I guess we'll see where our price is going into tomorrow, because tomorrow's FOMC. So actually, you know what? Actually, I'm not going to short it. Never mind. I'm taking that back. I'm not shorting gold tomorrow. I'll short gold after the meeting, because we'll probably see a pump on gold for FOMC. And this thing is just like literally chilling at my break even, dude. That is crazy. just chilling on my break even.
It's ES's fault. She unspooked NQ. Spooked her away from my break even. It's your fault, ES. This little 50-cent pump. Oh, so we still in it. We still. I could have took break even right here. I could have. No.
Hey, we bears. We bears. We what's that word? No, not that word. That phrase. We bout this. We is this. We bout this. We do this for real. He says,
I
what did
really
they
wish.
say? Y'all live in the darkness. I was born in it. Yeah. Y'all pretend to be bears. We was born in it. We're short against a bullish trend. We'll do it. We'll try.
We tried when it made sense. I may have been a little early on my entry.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, shoot. Yeah, I should have been short at the near that double top area. Bears, dude, this is so painful though. Gosh. Like, just complete the move. You complete the move to 870, I'd be a happy camper. Cause yeah, that would give me my pattern, and then you could do whatever you want to do from there. But
If the ES holds this area, then I'm getting stopped out. Hold on,
you
give
know
me a
what?
second, bro. Give me a second.
Let's just
You
do
said what?
this. All right, there we have it. There it is, guys. There's my stop. I put it on. I put it on the boards. My stop is on the board. Don't go hunting me now.
So what do you decide to do? Are you gonna hold, or are you gonna take it at break even?
I'm going to bed. One of these is getting hit. My stop or my target. There is no in between. There is no break even.
There it goes.
No.
The
Yeah.
diary of a stubborn bear. Either it's
Yeah.
hit my damn target or it's hit my stop. No in between, baby. No in between. If it really gets bad, it's either it's hit my target or my account's getting liquidated. There ain't gonna be no stop.
Yeah. Nah,
But this
we
is the
ain't
fun of the
about.
count, so
Yeah. I was
yeah,
about to say
yeah,
we ain't about that.
If it
We
was
ain't
any
about
other
that.
account, that account's getting liquidated or it's hit my target. There's no in between.
No in between. Dang, it's crazy though. It's
I think we're
crazy
gonna
y'all
wake up
making.
to. I think we're gonna wake up to some red. I think we're gonna wake up to some red. The Bulls ain't doing nothing. They ain't doing nothing.
I mean, why would you buy this high in the pre-market unless your strategy is to, I don't know, sell. I don't know. I don't know why you would buy this high. All-time highs on ES, not quite on NQ. This makes sense to short around this area. Like I said, I'm way too early, but buy a short of the 920s, whatever, 30s. But I mean, we'll see. Bulls get regarded, and you may have to
Bro,
be
give
a
me a
bull
second. I gotta
tomorrow.
check on something. It's like my daughter's too quiet. Let me check on her real quick.
She should be asleep. Like mine should be trying to stay up this late. knowing she got to get up early. All right, NQ, you teased me long enough. Teased us, the audience, long enough. You're right. The trend is your friend. You're right. But can't stop the inner bear in me. Can't stop the inner bear. I was too early. Oh, bro.
Well, there we go, baby. There we go. We're seeing what we need to see.
I'm so tempted to just close out, go to sleep. But the trend is your friend until it isn't.
Okay. Hey, give me about like I mean, I guess if you're still on, I'm gonna leave my stream to run. I'll leave it running. But if you're still on, I'll hop back in like the next like 30 minutes or something. Like
Nah, you got it. You got it, bro. I'm probably gonna. I'm just talking crap. I'm probably gonna close this if I get a little bit of profit. But then I don't want the regret of closing too early. And then this thing tanks or whatever, at least to 870.
Dude, I'm holding. Like, yeah, hey, Tevin. I'm sorry, Taven. Yeah, I'm a stubborn bear. Either here's my stop or here's my target. There's no in between. There's no break even. If it was really bad, and I mean, it's gotten ugly, man. Like I said, it's gotten ugly on the funded account sometimes too. It'd be like, oh shit, well, I'm in too deep. Either this account is getting liquidated or it's gonna hit my fucking target. There's no in between there. There's no in between. Stubborn bears fuel the market.
Thank you. We thank you for your liquidity.
Yeah. And I'll get another account and I'll do it again, damn it. It'll go higher and I'll short it again. But all right, man, give me like 30. I'll be back 30 minutes. I mean, if you're not on, then yeah, I'll be back.
Hopefully this don't take that long.
You know she's gonna make us wait for it. You know she's gonna make us wait.
Yeah.
All right, bro, give me a second.
All right. Shoot. Well, like I said, y'all, the stop is on the board. I said 9:30 is the stop. Hey, it is what it is. I want 870. That ain't, I mean, that shouldn't be too much to ask for. Dang, yo. They're really sticking to this. I mean, it makes sense. It makes sense. Looking at this, it makes sense. Let's see, can we get a 1030 dump? My entries are really horrendous. $10, $20, $25, right back up. No. Well, that's what we didn't want to see. Ugh. Watching ES. She gives back this move. She bounced out of 9 EMA. I may have to settle for 880 if we get this break. $7.50. Right. Mm. $61. Yes. I really could just leave this thing here. The stop is set. The target is set. I could just leave this thing and let it run. You're right. Tomorrow is a new day. But I've waited so long and we're so close. We're so close to the promised land. I feel it. Oh man. I've been in this since 7:50. Bro. Yo, we going on 3 hours in this trade. Oh shoot. Oh dang. We got this. Like I said, my entry it is so close and yet so far. That is so funny because it's so true. Yo, that is hilarious. Yeah, we do need a dub, man. And like I said, I could have gotten out here on this first little dump to VWAP. Could have gotten out here, here. Man. At this point, so close and yet so far. It's because you know what it is. It's because my break even is dang point of control on this 15-minute chart. Literally right in the middle. I was like, oh, you want to short at point of control? All right. All right, we got some motion. They see our resilience just holding through the pain. I need ES. Oh my gosh, ES is not following suit right now. She is not following suit with NQ. Ivan, damn. What up? I've been in this for about going on 3 hours. You see my pain up here that I experienced. Oh, shoot. But nah, we did. Okay. Was it 67? I thought I made 65, but I guess it was 67. Made 6,700 yesterday. On day one. I thought I traded the day before, but I didn't because I didn't get access to this account until later on in the trade session. I didn't want to deal with anything, taking any unnecessary L's. But yesterday was day one in this, and we caught, yeah, 6,700 bucks just scalping. I think I was late getting on, so I missed the 8:30 move, but you know, we'll see what happens with this. I could take break even, but to wait 3 hours for break even. All right, Oso, you gave us the green light. You took profit. Hey, salute. Now we can see some red. Yo, we gotta break below this though. This little area is tough. Let's see. This freaking area is tough. Yeah. Damn, ES. Yeah, I don't like the way ES is looking. Man, she about to take us back up. I do like that NQ is being weaker than ES right now, but I don't like the way ES is looking. Because we need her support. It's alright. Like I said, my stop is there. We get hit, and I'm done. We'll get it back. We'll get it back in the morning. Ain't no sweat. But obviously, I want my target. I would love to see us drop. Yeah. This has been a lot of back and forth. The ES is looking real strong right now, and that's what I don't like. Cause she gonna take NQ right along with her. Um, 7, 908. Yeah. Yeah. Break even literally being used as support. Especially once we broke out here. Shoot, Sherm might have been right. I might need to grab a pillow and blanket. Shoot. Oh well. How's y'all's night going so far? This obviously is gonna take a while. ES look like it's about to go. She look like she want to go. But NQ is being weaker, or looking weaker. At least appearing weaker than ES right now. Alright, Joe. I don't know if you trade in the morning, but yeah, we'll be back in the morning as well. Have a good one, though. You either gonna see me tomorrow, we're gonna be happy, or sad. Well, not really sad. I'll accept this L. But EMA's trying to curve over. I don't know, man. We just need. Maybe they do it at 11. I don't know. In like 18 minutes. Asia stocks muted as Trump rally cools. Fed, China stimulus, and focus. Oh, appreciate that, bro. Appreciate that. All right, bro. Yeah, this would have been so much easier had I just waited until the morning or just accepted that $200 dub. All right, bro. Yeah, swing through. Yeah, ES is looking too strong right now. Still. There she goes. I mean, all right, here's what I'm gonna do. So y'all have to just sit here. I'm gonna leave this running. And then yeah, I'm gonna leave it alone. I'm gonna go lay down. And I'm gonna leave this up and running, and we'll see what happens. We shall see. I do want to get in tomorrow's session somewhat fresh. Draw this line on here real quick. I mean, we might. Okay. Or we might just get stopped here on this run. Yeah. But all right, yeah, I'm gonna go. I'm gonna go lay down. I'm probably gonna wake up to it being stopped out anyway. But I appreciate y'all stopping by. Like I said, I'm gonna leave this running. And we'll see. We'll see what happens.
Ah, shit, bro. Ah, damn. Hey.
Sure.
Uh,
Back. I was just about to get off.
no, I'll
Us.
probably get off as just right along with you, but I just saw something and
Yeah.
yeah, bro.
We're pretty much cooked.
Yeah, yeah, so
Pretty much cooked.
reduce some of that risk, bro. You don't need all that. ES just bounced at 62. That's not good. It's not good that it bounced there because it bounced at that range. You see that range from 62 to 57. You got a little small range. We got a small breakout, and the bull's about to retest. It's just gonna break out. Gonna break out. It's gonna break out, bro. Just reduce some of that risk, bro. You don't need all that.
I need to take that $1,700 L.
I wouldn't take it. I mean, like I said, it's your account, but I feel like you got it at 30. I mean, shit, they'll probably take it there. Even if they're like, they'll probably take it there and then drop it.
I
If
know.
they're gonna drop it,
Yeah.
I know it could get ugly if you allow it to get ugly, but this might get real ugly. I think we're on the wrong. I mean, we've been on the wrong side all night, and we've been given plenty of chances for break even.
Yeah.
Uh, yeah.
Yeah, that's true. But I am curious to see what ES, if she respects this again or if she goes. I mean, obviously it's looking like she gonna go. But
Yeah.
there's NQ following along. I don't have to take this pain. I don't have to take that.
I mean, dude, I mean, I know, man, I don't want to tell you the wrong thing, but man, it's a low probability at this point because
Yeah.
they held it. They held it, and it looks like they're gonna close within this range. So, mm. I mean, I mean, they're gonna probably take it at 30. The only thing that we can hope for right now is if they don't let it get past like 20 or something. Because I mean, like if it breaks out above this range, then I mean, we're going to 50, and then it's highly like we're going to 21K. So I mean, and ES bounced at that area too. So either ES has to stop at a double top at 68.50, or it has to stop at 67. But I mean, it's highly likely this shit gonna keep going, man, and hurt our feelings. So
Yeah. No, I agree.
all right, bro. Yeah, I'm about to go to bed, man. I'm just gonna let my stop do what it's supposed to do. Stop me out if I'm wrong. Ain't no need to
Yeah,
lose no
same.
sleep over it too.
Yeah, same here. I said I accepted. I accept the 1700 loss if it hits.
Yeah.
But well, which seems very, very likely. It's very
Yeah.
likely about to get hit. But unless ES can double top or double, triple top, whatever you want to call this,
Mhm.
and then they give the
I mean,
Bears some
because I mean, like I said,
confidence and
this
they really step in.
shit. Yeah. I mean, I guess we can look at book map one more time. Yeah. I mean, it don't look like it, bro. It's dude. It looks like
Yeah,
it wants to touch that. I mean, at least on ES. I mean, the CVD is mad positive. It looks like it's gonna run that liquidity above that high, and we know that if it trades above a double top, you're wrong because it won't if you're right. So you don't have to hope on the ES. I mean, it found support at the top of that small little range. Yeah, that shit gonna, them stocks gonna get ran.
yeah. Before you came on, I was like, yeah, ES is looking real strong compared. We don't deserve this. RIP position. It's been fun. It's been a good night. Been a wild ride of emotions. I'm calling RIP. Um,
Yeah. But all right, man. I'm gonna go to bed. I'm gonna go to
Alright.
bed. I'll end it here.
Alright. Alright, y'all.
Well, hold
Yeah.
on. Hold on.
What?
Are you gonna stay on? No, are you gonna stay on?
I was thinking of keeping it on, but there's really no point now. About to get clapped.
No, no. I'm talking about you. Are you gonna stay
Oh
up?
no. I'm going to sleep. I'll take the
Mm,
L. Like I said, I'm cool with that
mm,
because I know I can get it back plus more in
Yeah.
the morning.
Yeah, we got that close within that range. I mean, yeah, that's gonna suck. All right, but all right, everybody. That's it for me.
All right.
We'll do this
Yeah.
again at cash session.
All
Peace out,
right, y'all.
everybody.
Yep. Peace.